Good morning, students. In last class, we learned some example problems. In this class, we do some more examples. First of all, example 4. Here they given find the equation of the circle whose center is minus 1 comma 2 through 5 comma 6. They given center and passing point passing through 5 comma 6. So first of all write center and the given point. Solution: given center is minus 1 comma 2 and given point is minus 1 comma 2. We have to find the equation of the circle. Equation of the circle means x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square, or x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. These two are the same, but we have to choose the equation. Circle equation is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square, because they given center. Center means either h comma k or minus z comma minus f. That is, then we take h equal to minus 1 and k equal to 2. H equal to minus 1 and k equal to 2. Therefore, equation of the circle, required equation of the circle required equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Then substitute the h and k values. X minus of minus 1, x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equal to r square. This is the answer, but we have to find the r value. K are given, then find the r value. First of all, draw the diagram. Center is h comma k, that is minus 1 comma 2, and given point 5 comma 6. Passing through the point 5 comma 6. Since circle equation passes through 5 comma 6, we have distance between center and point is equal to radius. We have r is equal to cp. That means distance between center and point, that is root of 5 comma 6 and minus 1 comma 2. Distance between 5 plus 1 whole square plus 6 minus 2 whole square, that is 6 square is 36. 4 square equal to 16. 36 plus 16, root of 52 means 4 into 13, that is equal to 2 root 13. Radius equal to 2 root 13. Substitute in radius. 2 root 13 whole square, that equal to x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y. 1 plus 4, right? 1 plus 4, and here that is root 52 whole square is 52, that is minus 52. 1 plus 4 minus 52. 5 minus 52 is minus 47 equal to 0. This is the required equation of the circle. In the circle, they given center and we find the radius with the help center and radius. With the help we write circle equation, that is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Next example, find the equation of the circle passing through 2 comma 3 and concentric with the circle. Given circle equation is x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus 15 equal to 0. Concentric circle means they have the same center. They have the same center. That means concentric circle. Given circle equation is x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus 15 equal to 0. Required circle is required concentric circle is that is x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus k is equal to 0. Take this as equation 1. They given concentric circle passes through the point 2 comma 3. That means since equation 1 passing through 2 comma 3, we have substitute 2 comma 3 in this equation, that is x value 2, y value 3. 2 square plus 3 square plus 8 into 2 plus 12 into 3 plus k equal to 0. That is 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus 36 plus k equal to 0. 4 plus 9, 13, 13 plus 16, 13 plus 16, 19, 29, 29 plus 36, 29 plus 36, that is 65 plus k equal to 0. K is equal to minus 65. Then substitute the value. Required circle equation is, or required concentric circle is x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y. Substitute k value in this equation, that is minus 65 equal to 0. Concentric circle means only the constant term is changes. Here this is the answer. Required concentric circle is x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus k is equal to 0. Only we find the k value with the help of the passing to the point 2 comma 3. Next problem, example 6. If the circle x square plus y square plus ax plus by minus 12 equal to 0 has the center at 2 comma 3, then find a comma b and the radius of the circle. Solution. Given circle is x square plus y square plus ax plus by minus 12 equal to 0, and given center is 2 comma 3. We have to find a comma b and radius. First of all, we find the radius of the circle. We know that circle equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Then we remember as center is minus g comma minus f, and radius equal to root of g square plus f square minus c. This is the remembering points, and center is minus g comma minus f. Now the center of x square plus y square plus ax plus by minus 12 equal to, here compare these two equations, x square y square, a equal to 2g, that is 2g is equal to a, 2f is equal to b. That means g is equal to a by 2, f is equal to b by 2. Center is minus g comma minus f, that is minus a by 2 comma minus b by 2. But the given center is 2 comma 3. So equating minus a by 2 is equal to 2, minus b by 2 is equal to 3. Then a is equal to 4, minus 4. Minus a is equal to 4. Then a is equal to minus 4. Minus b is equal to 6. Then b equal to minus 6. They want to find the a comma b and radius. So a value is minus 4 and b value minus 6. Find the radius. Radius means r is equal to root of g square plus f square minus c. Root of g square. Here g means a by 2. A by 2 means minus 2 or 2. That is minus 2 whole square minus 3 whole square. Minus of minus c, that is equal to 12. Minus of minus plus 12 minus 2 whole square. Careful about this. Minus 2 whole square is 4, minus 3 whole square is 9, 9 plus 4, 9 plus 4 plus 12, that is 4 plus 9, 13 plus 12, 25, that is equal to 5. So they find only a comma b and radius. Required equation of the circle, they don't want the circle equation, so enough the answer. Okay, write these answers.